Hey guys, welcome back. Lynn's Flooring Weekly Update. Dave Sapala here with Graham Capiaco again. We actually had a lot of good response last time we had Graham on, so we're gonna do it back to back, for a sequel. Like we always talked about. Hopefully you guys had a great couple sales weeks, and we're sort of plucking down, looking through what we want to try to get you guys educated on. And one of the things I thought would be a great topic today was the amp advantage. Okay, this is the one thing you guys are hearing out there in the LVT world. You're hearing all these buzzwords going on with different types of finishes, whether it's Diamond 10 or I have the superior ceramic beaded finish, whatever it might be. So the Valve spent a lot of time developing the amp coating, which you guys know is on our new 2-style product. It's on our new Reserve. It's on our Simple, and it's also on our Spark. So what we're doing is they went out and developed this awesome proprietary finish, and are really putting it everywhere. So you're gonna even see it coming down onto our boxes where you have the amp advantage. You might see a blog, you might see a video. Most people know the amp advantage because it has a very matte sheen to it. And Graham's gonna hit a little bit on that. And they really like that look. But what they don't really know is what exactly is it? How does it compare to other finishes? Backwards a little bit too, when you start seeing all the new books, you're gonna start seeing the amp logo sort of popping up everywhere. So, take out from an aesthetic look how nice it looks onto the material. It does have enormous performance characteristics to it, and that's the reason why we're taking existing product and headed that way. Even though our old finish is still good, we're always looking for some different ways that we can make it better. So from a technical side, what is it? How does it work? How does it compare just a little bit? I'm gonna throw it over to Graham and let him talk for a couple minutes just on that.
Okay, so when we're talking about urethane finishes, which is what the amp is, the finish is designed to, here's a cutaway of an LVT plank, and the wear layer is what it's trying to protect. We're trying to protect the wear layer from scuffing, abrasion, minor scratches, chair caster damage, that sort of thing. That's the whole purpose of the finish. So the amp finish, it is a UV cured polyurethane finish that goes over the top of the wear layer. In the finish, it's reinforced with, instead of a ceramic or an aluminum oxide particle, it's reinforced with a proprietary glass-like particle, which on the Mohs hardness scale is about a 9.4, which makes it 2 to 3 times harder than the ceramic and the ceramic reinforced beads that are in a lot of other finishes and that are in our original finish.
Now, for normal salespeople out there, we don't really understand or even know what that scales mean. Can you take 30 seconds to sort of say, hey, this is what this scale sort of benchmarks, where it came from, things of that nature?
Yeah, sure. So the Mohs hardness scale is what's used to determine the hardness of a mineral. So a diamond would be a 10. Aluminum oxides usually are between 6 and 7. So you're looking at our particle is at a 9.4. So it is very close to a diamond, which is considered the hardest mineral in the world. What that glass reinforced particle enables the finish to do is resist a lot more wear, resist abrasions, and resist a lot of the things that traditional ceramic and aluminum oxide finishes can't resist because of the hardness that's in that glass-like particle. That's pretty much all there is to say about amp. We are currently going through some testing right now, doing some side-by-side analysis of the amp versus other coatings that are on the market, including ceramic reinforced, but some other diamond reinforced products that are out there. And we will be releasing some technical information once that's done, but I will say that the initial findings are really good, that this product is every bit as good as some of the higher end finishes on the market. And in some cases, when it comes to abrasion, it's even performing better than some of those other products that are on the market.
Guys, one of the things I want everybody to understand out there, Novalis makes some awesome products. And this race to see what is the best finish out there and keep increasing is no different than the race to continue to increase the quality of a product, whether it's through new equipment, through its new format, whatever it might be. We have some awesome R&D people on staff. You know, we have some tech people like Graham that can carry out the backside of it with all the tests. You know, if you button up against an LVT competitor and the designer or a developer, whoever is beating you up on, you know, the finish, get Graham involved. Have a conversation with him. You know, we can run performance characteristic tests between the two. But it's not just a pretty face. Okay, it looks awesome. It has some awesome characteristics to it as well. So, again, Amp Advantage. There's a blog on it. There's a video on it. If you need questions, grab Graham. He'll be able to do it for you. So that's really all I got. So from me and Graham this week, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in a few, and have a great sales week.